Our next example, graph the following system. Negative 3x minus y is greater than 6, and x is greater than or equal to negative 2. So our first step is to put the inequalities in slope-intercept form. We'll only have to do this for the first one. So we have our negative 3x minus y is greater than 6. We're going to add 3x to both sides. So this gives us negative 1y is greater than 3x plus 6. And then we're going to divide by a negative 1. When we do that, remember, our inequality sign changes direction. So we have y is less than negative 3 over 1x minus 6. Next, we're going to graph each of these inequalities. So our first inequality, y is less than negative 3 over 1x minus 6. We start by graphing or plotting our y-intercept, which is a negative 6. Our slope is negative 3 over 1, so we drop 3 and run 1. And we connect this with a broken line since our inequality is y is less than. Next we shade. Since it's y is less than, we shade below the line. We next graph our inequality x is greater than or equal to negative 2. Since we have one variable and that variable is x, we know our line will be a vertical line passing through the point negative 2. It will be a solid line since our inequality is greater than or equal to. Our next step will be to shade. Since it's greater than, the values that are greater than negative 2 are to the right of negative 2. And again, our region in green would be the region that would be our solution. That's where the two inequalities overlap.